Hello, good day to you. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be using a game called the Name Game to demonstrate some of the different buttons in our Word toolbar. So the first thing we're going to do is type our first and last name. Don't forget to use your Shift key when you type your first name and your last name to capitalize your first and last name. So we have our name typed. Next thing we're going to do is copy our name 10 times. What that means is we're going to click and drag across your name to highlight it. You have to select the words that you want to work with. So we're going to highlight those. And then we're going to go up and hit the copy button. Copy button is right there in your toolbar. Click on copy. And now we're going to click after your name. Your cursor has to be after your name before you hit enter. And I'm going to hit the enter key. I'm going to hit enter. Then I'm going to go up and click paste. I'm going to hit enter again and paste, enter and paste. I'm going to do that until I've copied my name 10 times. So I have 3 right there. So enter, paste, that's 4, enter, paste, 5, enter, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I just copied my name and pasted it 10 times. Now I'm going to go up to my first name. I'm going to highlight that name and I'm going to align it to the right. You might use the right alignment tool. If you're writing a letter, you might want the date to be over there on the right side of the page. Or if you're turning in an assignment, your teacher might want your name to be over on the right side of the page. So I just clicked on right align. It went over to the right. And then I'm also going to change the font size of this name to a size 14. There's our font size. 12 is the default size. That's the normal size. I'm going to click on that drop down menu, click on 14, and then my name will be slightly bigger. Next thing we're going to do, go to the next name, and this one is going to get centered, and it's going to be changed to a size 20 font. So I'm going to highlight the name again. You always have to highlight or select the words that you want to change. I'm going to change it to a size 20 by using my font size. Select 20 this time, and I'm also going to center this name. The center button is most often used probably for titles. If you're typing a story, you want a title centered at the top of your page. Click on the center button, which is right here, center, and then the name will go to the center of the page. There it goes. Now, we're going to add bullets. If you're making a list of things on a paper, you want to put bullets in front of them, or numbers, either one. I'm going to highlight the 3 next names. There's my 3 names highlighted. Here's my numbering button. Here's my bullet button. I'm going to click on bullets and I'm just going to add bullets to those names. And there are my 3 names with bullets in front of them. Again, if you have a list of things like directions or a list of items, you might want to put bullets in front of them. All right, now we're going to go to the next one. I'm going to highlight this name. This name is going to get changed to a size 24. Size 24. And then we're going to change the font style on this. Font style is right next to font size. Times Roman is our default, our default font size or style. Got my words mixed up there a little bit. Anyway, Times Roman is our default font style. If you click on the drop down menu, you get a lot of other fonts. And let's pick Arial Black. Arial Black is a nice dark thick print. So if I click on Arial Black, then my name now is typed in Arial Black. Alright, we're going to go to the next one. This time we are going to underline this word or this name and change it to a size 36 font. So highlight the word again. We're going to underline it. That's the U button up here with the line underneath it. Click on the underline button. Again, you might want to use that button if you're typing a title. A lot of times you see titles underlined. And I am going to change the size of this to a size 36. Click on 36, and now my name is underlined, size 36. On to the next name. Next name, we are going to use the italic button and font size again. I'm going to highlight the name. I am going to center the name and italicize the name. So our center button, we've used that once before. Here's center. I'm going to click on that. It's going to go to the center. I'm going to click on the button with the I on it. Italic is that slanted print. If I click on the I button, my name is in now a slanted print, and I'm going to change it to the smallest font that we have in the list, which is an 8. Click on 8, and now my name is small and in italic print right there. Now we're going on to the next one, highlighting it, changing this to a size 48, which is pretty large. Scroll down. Now my name is size 48, and we're going to put that in bold print. And bold just gives you that dark, thicker printing. That's the B button. Click on bold, and my name is now size 48 in bold print. We only have a couple names left. What are we going to do here? With this one, let's highlight it. Let's change the size to size 18, 22. Let's go with 22. Change it to size 22. And this time we're going to change the font style to Wingdings. Wingdings is kind of strange. I don't know when you would want to use Wingdings. Wingdings is kind of like a hieroglyphic or a secret code, but if I scroll down, the font styles as you're scrolling through here, just realize they're in alphabetical order. So if I'm looking for Wingdings, I'm going to have to go down to the bottom, get to the W's. There's a few different Wingdings. Doesn't matter which one you pick, but again, it's just kind of nonsense writing. If I click on it, that's what my name looks like in a Wingding font. Alright, we have one more we're going to do. We're going to highlight that last name. This time we're going to throw that name over to the right again. Over to the right like we started. Click on the right align button. There it goes. And we're going to let's change the font size on this one too. How about 26 this time? Change it to 26. And we're going to change the color of our font. Your font color is up here in your toolbar. It's the letter A, has a colored line under it. If you click on the drop down menu next to it, you get a host of colors here, and you can just select whichever color you'd like. I'm going to pick this pink fuchsia kind of color. Oh, I guess it says it's pink, so we'll go with pink. And there's my name in a pink font. Alright, we are almost done. We're going to do one more thing, and that's to add a little word art. The word art button is down in your bottom toolbar normally. Here's word art. It's that A that's kind of slanted. I'm going to click on that button, and a menu of different letter styles pops up. Go ahead and select the one that you want. Doesn't really matter for this assignment, whichever one you like best. I'm going to go with this blue one. I'm going to click on that, and then after I've clicked it, I have to say OK. That's the font that I want. So I'm going to click on OK, and it says your text here. So I just start typing what I want to put in that word art font. And the thing I'm going to type again is going to be my name. Capitalize the first name, space, type your last name, capitalize it. You have your name typed, and then you just click on OK. And then those words come onto your page in word art. Nice thing about word art is you can move stuff around. So I'm just going to move that, click and drag, and put it down at the bottom of my page here. Alright, and that's that. We're done with this assignment. So naturally, you're going to want to go up and save. Click your save button in your toolbar. When you click save, the save as menu will come up. Don't forget, you always have to check in this window right here. It says save in. You have to make sure that you see your login number or your student number in that window. It's not going to be there, so you have to use your drop down menu, go through the list. I don't have a student number to show you here, but your student number should show up right about there. Click on your student number so that your student number goes up into that window. Again, make sure you see your student number there. The name of the document is found down here, and the name of this document is just going to be your name because that's the only thing that you put on it. Normally, you would click here, you would change the name, you would name it whatever would be appropriate for the document that you made, and then you'd click the Save button, and then your document will be saved. After you've saved it, you can either print it and show it to me, or you can just call me over to your computer and I will look at it on your screen. So there's our name game, some of our Word Toolbar buttons. Hopefully you've demonstrated how to use them, and have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.